My family were really close. I mean, we did everything together, and they really pushed me in the rodeo when I was young. That's what all my family did, you know. They were ropers, so that's what I did. I did calf roping and team roping. I went to the IPRA rodeos and the pro rodeos, and and the Indian rodeos. As far as the Indian rodeo, I've been a 5-time team roping champion and an all-around champion, world champion. That's my world champion team roping buckle right there. They inducted me to the Indian National Hall of Fame, which was pretty neat. I actually got a scholarship through rodeo and went on and got a degree from Northeastern State University in elementary education. I did all my internships and I was ready to teach, but I never did. I went to training racehorses right after I got out of college. I wanted to make a living with horses, you know, and we're doing all right.